Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Stacy.C, and if you're new here, welcome. So in this video I'm going to do Shein unboxings. I bought this stuff for a while, and in the last video I told you guys that I bought some stuff and I don't remember what, because I buy them from when. So don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. Go and watch out the rest of the video. I'm looking at them from around box me and box. Alright, so I'm gonna use me cutter. Then open the box then. Shit. Something nearly cut me. You never remember what some of them item here. What is stuff Shein send give me huh? Because the person who's supposed to get them if we have same name. I know I order this. So you see good thing? I know I order this. Ray. See this. That's what this is here. Who this? It's a one shower head. That's what you call it? Got you. I know some other shower head. And it come with the what is this? The pipe top part. The pipe top. Put it back in the little box. Because I want to stuff them last. When we're ready to fix up my thing right. See, I saw this big. I saw something. You get one thread here to put over the pipe. And this of the whatever this one. I don't wait for it. But me figure it out when I put it on. I don't wait for it. A plastic this. As I see light. This I will put on the wall. I see this in them lighting. A cheap something machine thing. Let me have to watch out. They may not hot. This now go. Oh. Anyways, when time I fix up the bathroom, if I feel like for sure now, I go show me it. If me tell me not for sure, I'm not sure nothing. Right then? Right. Oh no, that I can't fix what this one. Say I made this. Shit. There's something cut me. Back cutter. Ow. So yeah, we put it on here. Back cutter cut me. This cut me, my girl. This cut me. How much like I had that from Shein again? But anyway, I'm from get the something I said. Why the box here looks good? Look at this, like this. This. What is it again? Alright, these are the whatever this is. What do you call it? These are some storage container. You put on the wall in the bathroom. As I say, when I fix it up, I'm going to show you how them look. So I buy 3 of them. So one skipping rope and I unbox me this. Then I go to do something nice that you can take out. This is a skipping rope. So I guess I forgot to attach it. Where you go? I don't even know them something function. I said what is it through? And whatever. And then right this I tell you. Have the little counterpart and if you tell you how much jump you jump already. Yeah. You want count. You decide say 50 jump you want to do. So I will part this on there to tell you how much. So I buy them little spoon here. You got something what? Wait! Say a minute. Yes, say a minute. Yep. Oh, you so very good. I said spoon little man. Jesus Christ, I can't know I don't eat country today. Tomorrow whenever I'm gonna work. So I buy them little falcon spoon here. To carry work in my lunch bag and then give me little I use them chopstick here. Wherever you use them, I soon learn. I got the Asian restaurant them because when I tweet for them still is we got the Asian restaurant. You gotta use them. Because I not play with the Asian people there. Them nasty, them a cook dog. They have to stop it. Come with the little place, so I look now in my work bag. Carry to work every day with them. Every day! Every day! How about this? What should I take up my gun? 4? You remember there's something that we had there now? What this looks so? Oh. I saw them something that cheap and fancy, man. She not going with a blood spot.
What is that?
No, the caddy, shower caddy, I already got them one caddy. Where this go? Where a piece of go? Oh, I guess my screw trying to write this one. Alright, so this is one piece of shower caddy sitting. Why? A cheap material in here. I'm gonna start by the much expensive something. So this has to screw it up on the wall. Why? There's something on the night circle on this. Yeah. So as I say, I'm gonna fix up them something here. I'm gonna show you. And let's see it go. Because them something here cheaper than the money when I spend on them. Guys, if you had watched my last video, you would have seen where I was struggling to style my hair. And look at it now. Look at the parting and whatnot. How I style it up nicely. Oh my god. I'm having this sort of medication. It's rot seed. Alright, so I'm gonna buy them real glass bottle. You hear it? I buy them glass bottle here for make me wait me. My ginger shot I'm putting a yeah, get 4 of them and they come with a little what do you call this? Funnel? Whatever you call name. This I feel help throw it in the buckle so it not spill. Hey! What do you mean? What do you mean by that? What you just said, see?
Ginger shot for what?
You know ginger shot? To work for my belly.
7 day I respond.
See. So belly I send me a doctor to see what's the you see how my belly big?
You go for say, oh man.
My belly get bigger or weight big, so you alright. You fully alright. So I get 4 of them. So I go start making something them. Yeah. Work on the belly. Work on the belly, 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 belly. Tell me what I see.
My dumbbell.
What you doing?
You gonna put it in the wall?
What's up for them small? This can't watch ya.
You ready?
Jesus, please, me disappointed in a Shein. So look here. Dumbbell is supposed to be in, so I'm going to full it of water to use it to exercise. And look, the man can't. Jesus, please. I'm going to buy the bigger one. No, sir. So this one watch. The watch here. I buy the watch here because work watch now work. So I buy this and try it on. So I go and feed. The metal one them come too big for my hand and the link them I can't be able to take out them. Look how this neaty. Oh jeez! So pretty! Love it, love it, love it! Love it! Yep, tongue cleaner. Also, I buy that tongue cleaner here. Yeah. Have to keep the mouth fresh. Clean up the tongue. And a pink them send me. A pink me buy. Remember if I pink me they buy. The coffee cup here. Make my tea when I dey at work. I drip my water, I juice. Anything me catch me I put in a this. And they say it. I can't remember if I pink me they buy. Pink. Pink. I'm not a pink girl. Pink. Yes. Because I buy my skipping rope. And the girl I just start work on her belly. Yeah. Make the waist get a little smaller. And the bottom get a little bigger. I buy the shoes. Praise God. I don't know if it's going to fit me 41. Why? It looks small for me, so I don't know. Let's see. Hey! Small way! Look a bit small your foot.
Marry you off with some nice man.
That's what you said to me, sister, man.
When me I say?
Yeah.
Remember say I'm going.
She gonna marry me off?
Remember say I'm going long time now you hear, child?
What you said to me, sister, Pat?
When me I say to you, when you say to me.
Me not say that to you, and you tell me a thing.
Eh? Keep on, yeah? You say
Me?
yeah.
Entrepreneurs. Guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.